Hey, and welcome to my channel, the Half Man, Half Skull, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to code in HTML using freecodecamp.org. It's really simple, easy to follow. I like it. It's taught me a lot. Still learning from it. Basically, they teach you how to do it, code in HTML, that is, by having you create simple web pages, from simple web pages to complicated web pages. You start off with this cat web page, or teach you how to make some really basic HTML stuff. As you can see here, it's super simple. It starts with step one, and they break it down into steps for you, which makes it way easy. And you're also able to go back. So basically, it's giving you an example right here. You're going to do what it says down here. Change the text of the H1 element below from hello world to cat photo app. So I'm going to click down here, erase hello world, type cat photo app, booyah, submit, and go to next challenge. Boom. Same thing here, something a little different though. The H1 through H blah blah blah. Gives you an example right here. And yeah, it's pretty much that easy. You're going to just follow the instructions that they give you, continue going down the list, and if you do it once and you feel like you haven't learned, do it another time. You will pick it up. It's pretty easy, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.